The human being is swinging like a pendulum between
avenue. Divinity is just a dream. That must happen in every human being, isn't it so? When everybody puts their
joy and misery happens within us, agony and ecstasy happens within us.
The human being is swinging like a pendulum between animal nature and divine nature. This moment you're wonderful, next moment you can turn nasty.
As long as the animal nature is alive in you, divinity is just a dream. Fundamental spiritual process is towards this, to dissolve the animal nature in you. So every day in the morning for 2 minutes you're a dog, for 2 minutes you're a bird, for 2 minutes you're a snake. 6 months, you just go through this every day. Somebody pokes you, you will notice the dog doesn't growl anymore. It's been put to sleep. That needs to happen. That must happen in every human being, isn't it so? When everybody puts their dogs and cats to sleep within themselves, only then you will truly see human potential flowering, truly wonderful things happening around.
If human beings have to be well, the only way is to turn inward because the basis of human experience is within us. Light and darkness happens within us, pain and pleasure happens within us, joy and misery happens within us, agony and ecstasy happens within us. So yoga day, what this means is, not up, not out, in is the only way out. This is the fundamental message.